Hello you lovely people, this is me the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Today's recipe is possibly one of my most favorite recipes. It's a starter, crispy chicken chili wontons. Let's begin. This recipe possibly brings two different starters together and makes a third starter which is even more interesting. Imagine chicken chili and crispy wontons, now fuse them together and gives birth to this recipe. The first thing is to make the filling of chicken chili. First things first, chicken thigh, which is of course deboned. I've removed the skin and cut it into tiny pieces. Well, by all means, you can also use chicken mince in this recipe, but I prefer bite-sized chicken, which adds into the bite of the wontons. The next ingredient, red onions. I've cut these into dices so that while eating the wontons, you get that little bite, that little crunch of the different vegetables. Now, the whole idea of making chicken chili as a stuffing is to use all the ingredients that you would otherwise require while making chicken chili and creating like a raw stuffing. A raw stuffing, remember that. I've not cooked the chicken in this case. Adding in spring greens, followed by white onions or the white part of a scallion or spring greens, green capsicum, dark soy sauce. This is possibly one of the only flavorings in this recipe as such. When I say flavorings, of course, all the ingredients bring in their own lovely flavor and aroma, but in this case, that works as a wonderful seasoning. Time to add in crushed ginger garlic and lots of green chilies. Because remember, the name of the recipe, crispy chicken chili wontons. Time to add in crushed black pepper, now, salt in this recipe is already there because of the presence of soy sauce. So use salt with caution. And last but not the least, to make the mixture nice and moist, a little bit of oil. Let's mix all of this well and you have the most amazing flavorful chicken chili mixture in its raw form as a stuffing done and ready. The mixture is done and ready. Let's move on to the next step, and that is making the edible glue, because we're making wontons and wontons need to stick. The whole wonton skin while shaping needs to stick to each other, for which refined flour, along with this some cold water. Our pasty mixture of refined flour and water is done and ready. Let's move on to the next step, and that is getting the wonton skin, which is easily available in most proprietary stores. With the help of a wet tissue, we just wipe away the excess flour. The next step is to add in the filling, to fold it the shape that you desire, and then fry these. Simple. Once the wontons are shaped and ready, the next step is to deep fry these. Do not wait for anybody or anyone on the planet. Let's start frying. With this, crispy chicken chili wontons are done and ready. Make this for family, make this for friends. But in this new year, steal one for yourself and make it happier for all of us here. With this is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, signing off. Stay tuned. Bye for now.